having cough and catarrh and you have tried so many drugs and it didn't work out for you, please try this remedy. All you need to do is to just get 5 or 7 pieces of miracle leaf. When you get it, roast it with flame. If you are cooking with gas, just get it, put it on top of gas flame and flame it, or you can put it inside a pot that you are not using and steam it for it to change color. Once the color changes, squeeze out the water, put it inside a clean cup and give it to that baby. If possible, make sure that some of it enters the baby's nose. I mean the natural water. Don't add water. Like, don't add additional water to it. Just get the miracle leaf, put inside a clean pot and steam it there, or you can use flame to roast it. Then if you're someone cooking with firewood, get the miracle leaf, get get plantain leaf, put the miracle leaf inside the plantain leaf and tie it, put it on firewood dust, allow it to steam there for a while, bring it out when the color has changed, squeeze out the water and give it to the baby, put it in the baby's mouth for the baby to drink it and put small quantity inside the baby's nose. It will help to wipe out any kind of cough. It will help to cure, put an end to cough, catarrh, anyone that is disturbing you.